My name's Benita.
My name is Uddin.
Hi, I'm Darsan.
Hi, my name's Ali and I recently found out I'm going to Plovdiv Medical School and I'm very excited to be going there.
And I've applied for medicine in Plovdiv University through MedConnect.
I'm applying to medicine to Plovdiv University through MedConnect.
I'm going to be studying at Plovdiv and I came through with MedConnect. It felt like a briefing, just kind of getting to know what we're going to be doing on the first week when we arrived there.
And essentially they went through all the flight details, all the visa applications and things like that.
And I was also able to meet people, make new friends, so I'll feel more welcoming when I do arrive there as well.
Originally I was really nervous, but I feel quite excited now.
I'm feeling a lot more confident after this briefing because now I know a lot more, and seeing and meeting everyone in person is very helpful as well.
I feel like everything's went really smoothly. I feel like because you guys give clear instructions of what to provide, all the documents that we need to provide, it's just been really seamless. Practically all we've had to do is scan our documents in, and we haven't really had to worry about the rest, whereas I've heard a lot of people who went through other agencies have been finding it really difficult and they've had to get stuff notarized themselves.
No problems at all, it's been pretty good. Everything, every step I've got the help I needed. Any questions, I've always been able to contact them, get the help, answers I needed all the time.
I'd 100% recommend MedConnect. I feel like they've really helped me in all the aspects.
I would recommend MedConnect to others as well.
I would recommend MedConnect to other students.
Yes, I would recommend MedConnect to other students because they've helped me throughout the whole process and they've made it a lot simpler to move to Plovdiv.